Hey, what's up everybody? I need to replace some TPMS sensors, some tire pressure sensors in my wife's Grand Cherokee Limited. I thought I'd do a small video on it. So this is what the dash looks like. And you can see the rear driver's side sensor is not registering at all. I got some new sensors we're going to put in and try. They're not factory, but from all my research, they should relearn by themselves. If not, worst case, they are programmable sensors. So we'll see what happens. We'll get them put in and I'll get back to you.